kalapachero, here we are in Belgium. We will eat spitty grass today, the popular French fries here in Beerhoven. Come and join us. Yes, we are here in Beerhoven. Dami motor. Ganda ng motor. Yeah, Beerhoven. At least today is at a daytime. Pero uli kami sa small French fries. Diba? Walang nakaupo sa labas kasi malamig. So, pasok tayo ulit sa loob. Daming tao. Yeah. Still have place? Yeah. Hintay tayo. Daming tao. Punong-puno, ano? Punong-puno. Napakadaming tao lagi dito. Ganda ng kanilang magandang negosyo dito. Tagal na 1974. May branch din sila sa Singapore. Look at the bar. Laki ng tubo. Yeah.
Dapat may grade division
sa'yo. Dapat galing
Diba?
Magaling yan galing idea, lalagyan division. Pakita natin kay Rika.
Para kung may kakain, iba yung nasa
The bar. That's the entrance. We got the spare room over there. And that's Banchoten. And then the garlic bread. They put a division. ATMs.
Nice. This is good. Now we need the mountain of fries. Where's the mountain of fries?
That's what we are waiting for. Our mountain of fries.
The mountain of fries.
Yeah.
There we go. Met Belgium aan? Ja, alles. Dat gaat gewoon binnen. Ja.
Ja, danke. Schotten.
This is the life.
Ayan ang food namin. Barbecue. And our small French fries with the grass. Some salad. Oo.
Enjoy, hè?
Diba? Enjoy. Naubos naman natin. Yeah.
We hebben nog steeds verkeerd de strategie gehad.
Ayun o, hindi natin naubos.
Met z'n drieën en dan alleen maar
Susunod yung maliit na lang.
Nee, ja, 2,5 denken wij. Ja, dat denk ik wel. Toch?
Ja, ik had erbij gezet 1 broodje.
Is Maganda?
52 euro for 3 of us. Okay na yun. Tapos na kami.